Deep in the heart of South America lies a world unlike any other. The Ecuadorian Amazon. A place so alive, you can feel it breathe. Here, the rainforest is not just a destination. It's a living, thriving universe, home to over 400 species of birds, countless plants, and life forms still waiting to be discovered. Welcome to La Selva Eco Lodge and Retreat, where the story of the Amazon comes alive. One sound, one step, and one unforgettable moment at a time. Beneath the surface of this green world, an entire civilization is at work. Leafcutter ants, small but mighty, march endlessly, shaping the forest from below. Each carries a piece of the canopy home to feed a hidden fungus, a partnership millions of years in the making. Around them, ancient trees tower like cathedrals, connecting sky and soil through unseen roots and silent communication. Together they build balance, a reminder that even the smallest life can create the grandest harmony. Follow the river and you'll find its guardians, the Amazon's playful protectors, the giant otters. Curious, social, and fiercely loyal, they move as one, hunting, playing, and watching over their young. In the stillness of the blackwater lagoons near La Selva, they glide through mirror-like waters that hold stories older than time. Here, life depends on the river, and the river depends on those who respect it. As the sun rises, the forest awakens in symphony. Scarlet macaws flash across the sky like living jewels, painting colour into the morning. From deep within the trees, howler monkeys announce the dawn with roars that can travel miles. Every sound, every call is part of the Amazon's heartbeat. A rhythm that connects every being, from bird to human. For those who journey here, La Selva is more than a lodge. It's a bridge between people and nature, silence and discovery. Local guides share generations of wisdom. Guests find stillness in yoga at dawn, reflection by the water, or simple awe in every encounter. This is the essence of La Selva, a place where every visitor becomes part of the story. The Amazon is not just the lungs of our planet, it's its heart, a place that teaches balance, patience, and wonder. And here, within its rhythm, La Selva continues to protect and share this gift with the world. Because the Amazon isn't a place you visit, it's a place you feel.